from Lexis and Company, working as an intern. Today I'm talking about planted evidences. Planted evidence is an item or information which has been moved or planted at the scene to seem related to the accused party. For example, misidentification of eyewitness, jealousy, grudge, police misconduct, false confession under threat of violence, poor defense lawyer, prosecutor misconduct, misrepresentation of fraudulent forensic report, economic conditions, and even drunkenness. According to the survey, the planted evidence cases are now increasing on daily basis. Why do people plant any evidence? It is necessary to note that it can be planted to defame the other person. Now, what if an individual convicted under the planted evidence has to undergo the trial? In that case, we can hire an attorney and give them the insights regarding the cases. And now, what is judicial insight of planted evidence? In Thabu Devi vs. State of Rajasthan 2013, in this case, a false and fabricated report was submitted before the Rajasthan High Court, which was reanalyzed by the prosecutor, and original forensic report was obtained by detailed analyzing by the authorities involved. Thus, recognition of planted evidence implied was denied by the court of law, thereby safeguarding the personal liberty of the accused. In Bhima Koregaon prosecution case 2022 violence, which dates back to January 2018, that the investigation was still ongoing after 45 months. It is ideal to note that independent forensic reports involved in this case have raised concerns over evidence being planted in the present case, and interestingly, the same has not been taken into account by the court. This is why this case requires a mention, and it is clearly restricts the right of the accused and the individuals. Lynette White murder case 1988, the three men were convicted wrongly on the basis of planted evidence. After 2002, which helped the advanced science, DNA was reconducted, and uncle of the youth whose DNA was matched earlier had confessed of his crime of planting evidence. It is difficult to trust the police officers or prosecutors these days, that with the fear that they might backfire us. The accused should try to appoint a lawyer who is professionally qualified and not involved in misconduct, and shall present as and when required.